going to show you how to do a Halloween mantle. So we are starting with a completely blank slate. And the first thing I'm going to add is always a wreath. So I'm taking our Halloween wreath. I'm going to place it right there. And I'm going to work from the middle out. So I'm going to take our wooden characters are going to be the star of this mantle. He's going to go right there. This one's going to go right there. I'm going to place him over here. And I just have a galvanized bucket with one of our sprigs right there. Now we're going to go to the other side. Add some more wood people. My personal favorite, the giant skeleton. And he can actually sit. Look how cool that is. He's gonna sit just like that, resting there. And then just to balance it out, we're gonna put a bucket with the same sprig on the other side of the mantle. And there we have a very easy Halloween mantle.